Have you ever stopped to think about what's really keeping you alive right now? Not your heart. That's the obvious one. And it's not your brain either, though it loves taking the credit. I am talking about an organ that quietly works behind the scenes, day in, day out. No breaks, no applause. It takes every bite you eat, every sip you drink, every pill you pop, and somehow keeps your body running like nothing happened. Yet, most people never think about it until it starts to fail. Now, imagine this. Inside you, there's a powerhouse that filters your blood. It neutralizes toxins, stores vitamins, balances your hormones, breaks down fats, and helps you digest your food all at once. Sounds like something out of sci-fi movies, right? But it's not fiction. It's real, and it's happening inside you right now. Now that unsung hero is your liver, one of the most hardworking, underrated organs in the human body. The liver. While your heart gets all the love and your brain gets all the praises, your liver is backstage doing the dirty work, literally cleaning up after everything you eat, drink, or breathing. And here's the thing, your liver doesn't scream for attention when it's in trouble. It whispers. You might feel constantly tired, your skin might look dull, your belly bloated, or your thoughts foggy. And you'll probably blame stress, sleep, or diet. But sometimes it's your liver waving a red flag. Now, the good news is that you don't need miracle detox drinks or expensive cleanses. What your liver really needs are a few simple science-backed habits that helps it recover, thrive, and keep you healthy from the inside out. Welcome to BOL-VEEK Health channel, your trusted companion on the journey to better living and total wellness. Here, we uncover the wisdom behind every choices that shape your health simply, naturally, and powerfully. Because at BOL-VEEK, we believe healthy living translates to a better life. So, if you care about your energy, your body, and your peace of mind, you are exactly where you should be. Before we continue, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss any of our weekly health insights. Now, let's get right into it. Here are 5 proven ways to keep your liver, the body's silent protector, in top shape. And trust me, number 5 will surprise you. Number 1, eat clean, because your liver filters what you feed it. Think of your liver as your personal housekeeper. You feed it junk, it struggles. You feed it clean, it shines. It's that simple. Every greasy burger, every sugary drink, every late night snack, your liver has to clean up after it. Over time, that constant overload can lead to fatty acid, slowing down everything from metabolism to energy levels. So, what's the fix? Eat whole foods, leafy greens, garlic, onions, beetroots, avocados, olive oil. These are your liver's best friends. Keep your meals colorful and less oily, and your liver will thank you for it. Number 2, stay hydrated. Water is the real detox. Forget detox teas. Your body already has one inbuilt, your liver. But your liver cannot flush toxins without enough water. Hydration is how your liver cleanses. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters a day. If you are active or sweating, drink even more. Want a boost? Add lemon, cucumber, or mint. Lemon especially helps your liver produce bile, which breaks down fat and aids digestion. Simple, cheap, and effective. Water is your best liver cleanser. Number 3, limit alcohol. Your liver is not indestructible. Every drop of alcohol you drink goes straight to your liver. And while it processes it, a toxic compound called acetaldehyde builds up, inflaming and damaging your liver cells. And over time, that can lead to scarring, cirrhosis, or liver cancer. Even social drinkers are not immune. But the good news is you can cut down and your liver can heal. Within weeks, enzyme levels normalize and fats begin to clear out. So give your liver a break. It has earned it. Number 4, move your body. Exercise boosts liver function. To some of us, modern life means sitting too much and moving too little. And that's a perfect recipe for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. When fat builds up in your liver, your whole system slows down. But movement changes everything. Walk briskly for 30 minutes, dance, stretch, jog, just do anything that keeps you active. Studies show that regular movement can cut your risk of fatty liver by 40%. That's not a small win, that's life-changing. Number 5, eat antioxidant-rich foods. Protect your liver from damage. Your liver fights a daily war against toxins, fried foods, and stress. Antioxidants are its shield. So berries, green tea, turmeric, citrus fruits, and even coffee, yes, coffee, helps protect and repair liver cells. They reduce inflammation, they improve enzyme functions, and keep your detox system running strong. So make your diet vibrant. Like I always say, the more color on your plate, the more antioxidant you are feeding your liver. Your liver doesn't ask for too much, just a bit of care, consistency, and awareness. Because once it starts to fail, it is tough to reverse. And if you nurture it early, the rewards are massive. More energy, better digestion, clearer skin, and a sharper mind. So, take care of your liver and it will take care of you. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to BOL-VEEK Health channel. Together, let's make healthy living simple, natural, and powerful.